Mistakes happen, and sometimes finances end up in a mess despite the best intentions. Panic or avoidance only makes the problem worse. The real solution lies in taking control, assessing the damage, and creating a clear step-by-step plan to recover. With focus, discipline, and actionable steps, even serious setbacks can be turned into a foundation for smarter decisions and long-term stability. Today, we will talk about what to do when you've already messed up your finances. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Accept the situation without panic. The first step when you've messed up your finances is accepting reality without panic or denial. Beginners often avoid facing the situation, hoping it will fix itself or blaming external factors. Ignoring financial mistakes only makes recovery harder and increases stress. Accepting your current position doesn't mean giving up. It means you're ready to act. Take a clear look at debts, overspending, missed payments, and lost savings. Write everything down, including obligations and upcoming expenses. This creates a baseline from which you can build a recovery plan. Acceptance also shifts your mindset from fear to problem-solving, enabling rational decisions rather than emotional reactions. Understanding that mistakes are common and recoverable empowers you to take actionable steps, transforming a moment of failure into an opportunity for long-term financial improvement. 2. Assess the full impact of your mistakes. Next, quantify the damage to gain clarity. Track all outstanding debts, missed bills, accumulated fees, and unnecessary expenses. Beginners often underestimate the total impact of financial missteps, which leads to poor planning. Use spreadsheets, apps, or AI-powered finance tools to categorize obligations by urgency and interest rate. By understanding the complete picture, you know exactly what you owe, when payments are due, and how much is available for rebuilding savings. This assessment allows you to prioritize actions effectively and prevent surprises that could worsen your situation. Objective evaluation replaces stress and uncertainty with clarity, giving you a roadmap for repair. 3. Stop the bleeding immediately. Before rebuilding, stop additional financial damage. Pause discretionary spending, cancel unused subscriptions, and avoid new high-interest loans or credit cards. Beginners often make the mistake of trying to recover with more debt or impulsive spending, which prolongs the problem. Identify money leaks that worsen your situation: automatic payments, overspending triggers, or recurring fees. AI tools can highlight recurring charges and track unusual patterns. Stopping the bleeding ensures that the remaining income and resources are preserved for strategic recovery. Without containment, efforts to rebuild can be undermined by continued unnecessary expenditures. This step lays the foundation for meaningful progress. 4. Create a recovery budget. A recovery-specific budget focuses on essentials, debt repayment, and rebuilding savings. Beginners often attempt to maintain previous lifestyles, which slows recovery. Allocate income first to urgent obligations like debt, bills, and essentials. Remaining funds go toward emergency savings or investments. Cash-first budgeting ensures your priorities are funded before discretionary spending. Automation strengthens discipline, scheduling payments and savings transfers immediately when income arrives. AI-powered tools can monitor adherence to the budget, track progress, and highlight areas for improvement. A structured recovery budget reduces anxiety, improves control, and ensures each rupee is purposefully applied toward reversing financial damage. 5. Prioritize debt repayment strategically. Debt is often the primary obstacle after a financial mistake. Identify high-interest debts and prioritize them for accelerated repayment, while maintaining minimum payments on lower-interest balances. Beginners often target small debts first for emotional satisfaction, but this prolongs interest accumulation. AI tools can simulate repayment strategies, calculate interest savings, and recommend optimal sequences. Strategic repayment frees cash flow faster, reduces overall costs, and prevents financial pressure from compounding. By treating debt systematically rather than reactively, you regain control over income and set a clear path to financial stability. 6. Rebuild your emergency fund. A depleted emergency fund worsens the aftermath of financial mistakes. Beginners often overlook the importance of a safety net until it's too late. Even small, consistent contributions, automated weekly or monthly, can restore reserves. AI-driven tools can suggest ideal saving rates, track progress, and adjust contributions based on income. A replenished emergency fund protects against future setbacks, reduces reliance on high-interest loans, and restores confidence. Recovery is not just about repairing past losses. It's about creating resilience against unexpected events. This step ensures mistakes do not repeat and provides financial security for the long term. 7. Increase cash flow with additional income streams. Accelerating recovery is easier with supplemental income. Freelancing, digital products, online services, or AI-assisted side businesses can generate extra cash. Beginners often rely solely on their primary salary, which prolongs repair time. AI tools can enhance efficiency by automating tasks, marketing, and management. Additional income allows faster debt repayment, rebuilding of savings, and reduces financial stress. Strategic allocation of extra earnings toward high-priority obligations ensures they are impactful rather than consumed by habitual spending. Diversifying cash flow strengthens your recovery and prevents recurrence of financial instability. 8. Learn from your mistakes without shame. Mistakes are valuable lessons if analyzed objectively. Examine what caused the financial misstep. Overspending, impulsive purchases, poor research, or mismanaged debt. Beginners often avoid reflection due to embarrassment, but skipping this step increases the likelihood of repeating errors. Document lessons, set rules for future decisions, and implement safeguards. Finally, embed habits that prevent future financial mistakes. Track income and expenses, automate savings, prioritize debt management, and review progress regularly. Beginners often see recovery as temporary, reverting to old habits once immediate pressure eases. AI tools provide ongoing oversight, alerts, and optimization to reinforce discipline. Recovery is not just repairing damage, it's building a sustainable financial system that is resilient, adaptive, and growth-oriented. By turning recovery steps into consistent habits, one financial mistake becomes a catalyst for smarter decisions, greater control, and long-term stability. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.